Hey, Mia's Papa here. You want to say hello to Mia? Say hello, Mia. Okay. You want to say hello, Mia? And we have a surprise. Lucy has had puppies. She's got lots of puppies here who are very hungry and they're feeding with their mama. Yeah, they're super cute. I wanted to show you this, Mia. And then here's two, they're still sleeping. They're just super asleep. And these ones, they're feeding with their mum. You gonna say hello to Mia?
Hello, Poo Ganga.
And call her Mia, not Poo Ganga.
Hello, Sister Poo Poo.
Yeah, do you want to give her beijos? No. Okay, Nina. Okay, Mia, we miss you. We love you. And I will send more pictures of the puppies for you. Okay, bye-bye.